I have something pretty exciting here I want to show you. This is Notebook LM, and this is a way to analyze really complex documents and then have it create a podcast for you. So it's a discussion between two individuals or two AI agents after they have uploaded the information. So I'm going to show you how it works, or show you the end result, and then I'll show you how it works. So this is information I've already uploaded into the system, and I'll show you how I did that. But it's just a summary. This is about lab developed test. So I put that in here, and then all of a sudden I have
might be a stretch. Yeah. LDTs have been around for a while. They're often used for specific needs, like diagnosing those rare diseases you hear about, or really getting into the nitty-gritty of someone's genes.
Makes sense. So if they've been around for a while, why is...
Okay, so there's a conversation like a podcast that's generated from this. So my thoughts when I first saw this was, hey, this would be a great way to take complex information and share it with your employees. So I could use this with my recruiters. If they're not from the industry, they don't know diagnostics that well, if they don't have a great background in life science or whatever the industry, or if there's a very challenging topic, then I can upload this information and then let them listen to this conversation. And then I could share this. If I click the share button here, then I can share it with them. I can send them a link. So if I want to share this with somebody, I just hit copy the link, and I don't have to add people here. I could actually just go to my email now and drop this in as a link, and they could listen to it. So let me back up and show you. Let's see if I can go back to the, okay, so here we're going to do, I'm going to try it. And you'll see here, I did one with digital pathology, since there's a lot of, and this was about reimbursement. So it's a nice summary. I uploaded from CMS all the information about reimbursement for digital pathology. And there's a nice conversation. So all I have to do is hit add notebook. And then I hit website. If I have a website link, if I had a, let's see, if I had a, if I wanted to pull up, if I wanted to put in Google Drive documents, or if I had other documents that I wanted to upload, I could upload those as well. So I could upload any file basically in here. So if I had a PDF, whatever. So let me do this. I'm going to upload something just to show you how this works. So I could upload, and this is information about the Hubble spacecraft. I could hit insert, and now it's gonna look at all the text, and then I can hit generate, and when I hit generate, it's going to go back to, it'll take a little while, but then it'll create a conversation like like we had here with the lab developed test. And I've also done one, here's one with digital pathology that I uploaded. And I'll let you listen to a little bit of this.
Good amount of effort on their part.
So just to make sure I'm understanding this, let's say a pathologist is analyzing a biopsy. And that biopsy requires, for example, 10 slides to get a really comprehensive look at the tissue.
Right.
So with these new codes, they would bill using the main code for the biopsy analysis, but then they'd also add on the appropriate add-on code for each.
Anyway, I just think this is a great way to take complex information and make it simpler. Somebody can listen to a conversation. There's a lot of reading here, and then there's an 8-minute and 45-second conversation that was generated from this. So I'll give you the URL, but it's Notebook LM, and this is a Google product, and I just thought it was very interesting and another example of how AI is going to make our lives easier.